Hey guys, so cold curl makeup look is almost everywhere on the internet, so I wanted to try this out on my acne prone skin. And yeah, I have quite a bit left on my skin right now, but yeah, so I moisturized my face already and I'm going to prime my face. So for that I'm using the Maybelline primer, and this is the hydrating one, and I really love this primer, like really good primer, and also you can use this as it is. I'm going to fill in my brows using the PAC pomade, and this is in the shade Walnut Wax. And I really love this eyebrow pomade because I have sparse eyebrows, as you can see that, and it gives you that natural wala finish. It don't look like really bold and on your face kind of a pomade, so I really love it. And also it is really creamy as well as a little bit waxy. To fluff out my eyebrow, I am going to use this Essence eyebrow mascara, and this is really good and affordable eyebrow mascara. You can try this out. And for concealer, I am using this Milani concealer, which is a really matte and full coverage concealer, and the base will be really matte, not at all dewy, because the cold curl makeup look will be all about matte look. And yeah, I am concealing all my blemishes over here. And about the shade, this is not my shade, as you can see that it is really like lighter than my shade, but yeah, I am going to work it out. So next up, I am going to use some loose powder over here and going to use a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to set my under eyes. So like I have been seeing actually that if I like set my under eyes with loose powder, then it is not looked cakey or creasing, but if I use the compact, it looks really cakey. So I used a like loose powder over here. And next up, I'm going to use a cream blush, which is a really vibrant blush from Tint Cosmetics, and here I am using a brush. Next up, I am going to use some compact powder over here, and I am going to like set my face, because as I say that like it will be a really matte face, not at all glowy or shiny. I'm going to add a little bit highlighter for that little glow, but yeah. And next up, I'm going to use the PAC blush palette as my eyeshadow first, and using it really like light-handedly. As you can see that it is really pigmented. So yeah. Next up, I'm going to use this shade, this brownish kind of a shade, and like try to draw a little wing here, not a like really harsh wing, a little subtle wing. Yeah, little subtle. So next up, I'm going to use the vibrant shade over here and use it as more blushes, because it will look like if you have a like frostbite or something like that. So yeah. And next up, using this Revolution highlighter and using it by my fingers, and using it as like little eyeshadow and like eyebrow highlighter, inner corners, and using it on my cheekbones as well. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, because my lashes are really straight and like it's like straight as hell. So yeah, I need to curl my lashes. And for my lashes, I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and it is a pretty decent one. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use the Nykaa Masaba lipstick in the shade Face Plum, and it is like a sheer satiny kind of a like finish, and it is like a really pinkish kind of a shade, and I really love this actually. So yeah, that's it for my cold girl makeup look, but I don't think so कोल्ड गर्ल ऐसे दिखते हैं, मैं तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं दिखती. I don't know about you. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and be gorgeous. Bye.